Hello everyone, welcome to Ryan's videos. If you are new, you are welcome. I am happy to have you here. Special thanks to all subscribers. Today we are going to talk about liver health. I am not a doctor. The story you are going to hear is true. I am not an actor, and neither am I getting paid for this video. I don't expect to either. This is a testimony of my personal health that I decided to share with the intentions of helping someone who could be going through the same issue. I used to be a truck driver. Due to insomnia, I was fishing after a few hours driving. Fishing as in eyes getting heavy and you keep lifting up your head, just like fishing for hours and not catching anything. I came across a few energy drinks at the truck stops. I tried few and I liked mostly the Monster energy drinks. I knew that these energy drinks are bad for us. What happened next was totally my fault. For 4 years, I was drinking up to 3 Monsters daily. Then I started to feel sick. I started to feel unbearable pain on my liver. It got to a point that the food was not digesting anymore. Not too long after that, blisters started to show up on my body and I turned yellow. A good friend of mine saw that. He was so concerned about it that he introduced me to Dr. Schulze natural treatment since I didn't want to get a liver transplant. I went to www.herbdoc.com and I ordered 2 5-day liver detox boxes. I thought, what do I have to lose, right? Within 3 days, my liver responded positively. A few months later, I ordered 2 more. I did both boxes back to back, adding to 10 days straight. So this is how the box looked like. They cost $82 a piece. To me, $82 for you to get better and to heal you, I have to say it's well worth. So these boxes come with a tea and 2 bottles of serum and the directions for you to use it correctly, and then instructions for you to make a juice, which I'm going to share with you here in case you cannot buy these boxes, but a juice is already a good start and it's going to detox and cleanse your liver. Not just your liver, but your bowel as well, and also your gallbladder as well. Okay, so let's go to it. To make the juice, here are the ingredients you will need. Here's what you're going to need. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger root, 2 apples, cayenne pepper, black pepper, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, ½ teaspoon of turmeric, a small amount of cloves. I use on a 1½ cup of water with no sugar, no nothing added, just the ingredients. I found out that the apples, they cancel out the smell and somewhat the taste of garlic. So you're not going to be smelling like garlic like an Italian kitchen all day long. Okay, here's the garlic, the ginger root, the 2 apples, the cloves, the cayenne pepper, black pepper, turmeric, extra virgin olive oil. See, I just put a little bit in it. Now I need to bring to your attention that the cloves are not required. You will not see, if you ever buy the 5-day detox, you are not going to see that in there. I just added up on my own. Now I have tried other fruits, not all of them, but quite a few of them. For instance, strawberries, bananas, pineapples, cantaloupes, and all that. What I found out with them is that they don't disguise the smell and the taste of garlic. So if you try other fruits, Depending which one you use, you're gonna smell and taste the garlic really strong. So you blend it for about 1 minute. So here I'm putting the cayenne pepper. It's pretty much like a pinch or two. The black pepper. See, I don't put too much of it, just a little. And the turmeric. It's got amazing properties on that. Anti-inflammatory and all that. And now finally, the olive oil. I put 3 spoons. 3 tablespoons. And as I said, you blend it for about 1 minute. That's the recommended amount of time for you to blend it. And then I just drink it. It tastes all right. It's not too bad at all. Now, a good advice, stay close to a bathroom because it will flush you. I drink this juice every day. I buy these apples from the local orchard because they don't have the toxic wax on them, as well as the rest of the ingredients. I try to stick with organic food, whatever that means nowadays. I at least try to get cleaner food from local farms. After about a year, a few months give or take, the blisters disappeared, my skin tone has returned to normal, and for the first time in about a year, the food I eat is being digested normally. Here are some of the food and drinks to avoid if you have a liver condition. Sodas, sugary food, sugary drinks, processed juices. Any fruits, vegetables, or any drink rich in vitamin A. If you have a liver condition, in my case, severe liver damage, the vitamin A will damage your liver further. We do need vitamin A. Just take as little as you can, enough through the week not to cause a deficiency. Do not take the amount needed. Take less and skip few days. As I said, I am not a doctor. I am passing this testimony on. Through this time, I did an extensive research and I am giving you verifiable information. I also have avoided red meat and I eat very little white meat. Sometimes I go about 10 days on just vegetable diet. Here are a few more liver foods: avocados, walnuts, beets, milk thistle, green tea, plain black coffee, dandelion tea and leaves, bitter fruits and vegetables. Another drink I make is 1 tablespoon of squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 pinches of cayenne pepper. Mix it all up and drink on a fast. Do not eat or drink anything for 30 minutes. A very important seed you should consider: apricot seed. I eat a portion of it every day. You can find them even on eBay, believe it or not. eBay, Amazon, I believe Whole Food Market has it as well. If you or someone you know is going through a liver failure or has severe liver damage as I did, share this video. Adjust the dosages as you need. In the first few days, I was mixing up to 6 cloves of garlic in a juice. I personally don't trust any doctor who claims that these natural remedies can help. Neither the videos that claim it may cause this, it may possibly harm, it may damage. Those are just unproven ideas and personal theories. Unfortunately, most doctors, not all, care only for their money. Most doctors in the medical system, want people sick. Please, if you have the time, check out the work put out by Dr. Schulze. I am a living proof that these natural treatments work and they work well. I will leave the link in the description below. There are a lot more to be said. I can't due to time, or this video would be too long. I am sure you will learn more as you check Dr. Schulze's work. Thank you all for watching. May God bless each one of you.